Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu with mouse and keyboard. First, find a comfortable setup for your keyboard and mouse. Your hands should rest naturally, allowing quick access to all necessary keys and smooth mouse movement. Next, fine-tune your mouse settings. A DPI between 400 and 800 is often recommended, paired with an in-game sensitivity that feels responsive without being overly twitchy. Finally, assign your primary clicking keys, usually Z and X, to positions that feel intuitive and easy to press rapidly. Mastering mouse movement is crucial for high scores. Adopt a relaxed grip. A claw or fingertip grip often provides more agility than a palm grip. Concentrate on making smooth, deliberate movements across your mouse pad. Avoid tensing your hand or arm, as this leads to fatigue and reduces accuracy. Practice tracing complex patterns and long sliders to build consistent tracking ability. Developing this muscle memory will significantly improve your performance on faster and more intricate beat maps. Effective keyboard tapping is the other half of the equation. The most common technique involves alternating between two keys, typically Z and X for all your clicks. This allows for much faster and more consistent tapping than using a single key. Practice various note patterns, from simple single taps to challenging streams and complex rhythms. Focus on maintaining a steady, accurate rhythm. Experiment with how you position your fingers over the keys. Some players prefer a slight angle, while others prefer a more direct approach. Consistent practice is key to becoming a skilled Asu player. Begin with beat maps rated at 1 or 2 stars to solidify your basic mouse and keyboard coordination. As you gain proficiency, slowly increase the star rating, pushing your limits without getting overwhelmed. Use the in-game practice mode to repeatedly play difficult sections until they become second nature. Observing replays from highly ranked players can also offer valuable insights into efficient movement and tapping strategies, helping you refine your own gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.